Afternoon. Okay, copy on that. We have a big fire on the galley. We have a big fire on the galley. Captain, we have a big fire on the galley. We have a big fire on the galley.
Big fire on the galley. Ba, so is the steering on man po?
Ano po?
Sabi sir, ano na man po?
Very good.
Sige, wait. So is the AS kung natanggap ko man.
AIS now, not under command.
Attention all hands, this is only a drill, this is only a drill. We have fire in the galley, all crew proceed to master station. I repeat, this is only a drill, all crew proceed to master station. We have fire in the galley.
Sige, wait. Broadcast the space alert.
Go there, Dan. That's good. Wala minute ko. Mayday. This is motor vessel Dolphin Raider. This is motor vessel Dolphin Raider. This is motor vessel Dolphin Raider. Call sign Delta Yankee Oscar Bravo. Call sign Delta Yankee Oscar Bravo. Call sign Delta Yankee Oscar Bravo. We have a fire on board. In position. Latitude 33 degrees. 07.5 south. Longitude 016 degrees. 53.6 east. I repeat the position. Latitude 33 degrees. 07.4 south. Longitude 016 degrees. 53.5 east.
Jason, this man going.
This one over, sir.
Steady course. 322. Okay, this one going.
This one over, sir.
Proceed to the master station.
Sir.
Mike 1. Although 104, please proceed to designated station. Prepare to combat the fire. Proceed to master station. Proceed to combat the fire. Firefight is now start wearing fireman's outfit and preparing food. Copy that. The firefighter is preparing to wear the fireman's outfit and preparing hose. Please advise when the hose is ready to put up the boundary going. Over. Copy your message. We are now preparing fireworks for public cooling and closing all ventilation within the galley. Copy. Yes, this is typical reporting. Now we shut off the power supply for the galley, stop also the supply pan, and now our main engine is ready for emergency maneuvering. All electrical supply heading to galley, shut off and the supply pan now ready for maneuvering in case of emergency. We have maneuver the vessel stand by engine over. That I'm here in engine control room together with the second engineer. Copy that. standby, over.
Second engineer, start generator engine, put auto position, auxiliary boiler, and start compressor,
Wait.
and then stop the first water generator.
Backup team. Sir, basa sir. Backup team. Backup team, please go ahead.
Yes,
Sir, backup team, we are now ready for boundary clearing, ready, hose is clearing, and boundary is open. Contact, my hose is ready for boundary clearing. We will start the bar pump from the bridge to commence boundary clearing. Over.
Copy on that, backup team on standby.
Okay.
Backup team, bridge.
Go ahead, sir. This is backup team.
Now the fire pump is running, fire pump is running, you can start boundary cooling. Over.
After that, please, now backup team, commence boundary cooling. Over.
Okay, thank you. Emergency squad, come in.
This is emergency squad.
Emergency squad, the fire pump now is running, you can start boundary cooling while waiting for the firefighter. Over.
Okay, copy. Commence boundary cooling. Over. Commence boundary cooling. Over.
Okay, thank you.
Open the valve! The valve is open! Open the valve! Valve is open!
Operation Command, this is one firefighters now, sir, ready. All the KCB equipment, no leak, pressure is good, radio is okay. And now, preparing for the attack of fire, over. Emergency squad, copy on that, ready to extinguish the fire. Firefighter equipment in good condition, no leak, alarm is okay, radio is okay, pressure is full. You can proceed to combat the fire. Combat the fire with caution. Over. Okay, proceed. Combat the fire. Proceed. Bridges command. Firefighters now, sir. Ready to contain the fire. Ready to contain the fire. Over. Copy on that. Ready to enter the fire. Proceed with caution. You can open the fire door. Open the fire door and enter the combat the fire. Over.
Okay, proceed.
Basic command. Firefighter now, sir, is entering the scene of fire. Entering the scene of fire, over. Okay, copy emergency squad. Proceed with caution. Over. Proceed with caution. Backup team. This is Bridge. Now the firefighter is entering the scene of fire. Continue boundary calling.
Bridge backup team now continues boundary cooling.
Team leader, now entering galley.
Copy. Ayan na, entering galley. Please proceed with caution. Basic command. Firefighters now, sir. Entering the galley, the scene of fire in galley, over. Copy, team leader. Please proceed. Proceed with caution.
Team leader, now combating the fire. Combating the fire done.
Copy. Combating the fire. Please proceed with caution, over. Basic command. Firefighters now, sir. Combating the fire at the galley. Combating the fire, over.
Copy on that, combating the fire. Please advise if update the situation. Over.
Team leader, fire is out.
Copy. Fire is out. Please check if there is any sign of ignition, over. Basic command. Fire is out, over.
Copy that, fire is out. Check for any sign of reignition. Over.
Copy your message. There is no sign of ignition. Sign of ignition. Copy. Basic command. Emergency team. There is no sign of ignition, sir. The scene of fire.
Copy on that. Fire is out, no sign of ignition. Evacuate the area and start ventilation. Check the oxygen content. Once the area is safe to enter, check the cause, damage of fire. Over.
Copy your message, sir. Firefighters, please evacuate the area. Over.
Please evacuate the area.
backup team. The fire is out, fire is out. Close, open the ventilation, open the ventilation. To ventilate the area over.
Copy that, base. This is a backup team. Copy that. Fire is out, and we will open all ventilation into the galley. Over.
Okay, copy that. Please advise when the ventilation leading to valley is open.
Copy that. Base out. Fire is out, fire is out. Ventilation will be open. Bridge, backup team.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Now the ventilation is fully open and ventilation fully open.
All ventilation leading to galley is fully open. Fully open. Thank you. Standby. Emergency squad, coming. Sir, this is emergency squad, over. The area now is ventilated. The scene of fire is ventilated. Please send the firefighter to check the oxygen content inside. Over. Okay, firefighters now, sir. Re-entering the scene of fire to check the oxygen content inside the galley. Over.
Now, the leader there will Katamaro team. We're now checking the oxygen potential.
With that, firefighters, the oxygen now is 21%, and it is confirmed that it's safe to entering the scene of fire. Over. Precision command. Firefighters now, sir, confirm that oxygen inside is 21%, and it is safe to enter inside the galley. Over. Okay, copy that. The scene of fire is free from toxic gases. You can proceed to check the status, the cause and the damage of fire. Over. Okay, I'm proceeding, sir. Proceeding to enter the scene of fire. Over. Bridget Command. The cause of fire, sir, is the hot plate of the chip coke is grounded, electric grounded, and the oil spilling in the hot plate. Over. And the extent of damage is about 2 square meters, sir. 2 square meter. Over. Okay, copy on that. The cause of fire is coming from the cooking oil and electric stove, electric circuit. Okay, copy that, Chief. The extended damage of fire is about 2 square meter. Now, fire drill, fire is out. You can proceed to master station. All crew proceed to master station to ensure all crew is okay and no casualty. Over. Copy that, sir. Copy that, sir. All crew now proceeding to the master station and to count all crew that no injury missing. Over.
Five, 6.
casualty. There's no casualty over. Copy on that. Toll flow ordered for. No casualty reported. No casualty. Fire drill dismiss. Fire drill dismiss. We will proceed to next drill. Over. Yeah, fire drill dismiss. Fire drill dismiss. Thank you.
You think I don't